Peace. My name is Yaki. Everybody call me Yaki Awaken. Basically, I'm a naturopath, the holistic healing. I heal the mind, body, spirit, and soul. I got my certification in herbalism, Reiki healing, crystal healing, Kemetic science, just everything in the spiritual aspect. I heal the metaphysical body to potentially heal the physical body. From crystal healing to meditation to whatever I got to do, all the way down to the herbal side when it comes to the anatomy of the body. I mean, I done healed hundreds of people. We got a lot of testimonies. We got a lot of diagnostic sheets showing that people were sick with illnesses and disease, showing the protein count in the body, showing the glycoprotein, showing the viruses being active, to new sheets showing that it's all relieved from the body, that the lymphatic system clean, that all the charts are good, the CBC charts, the blood work, everything coming back negative after it was positive from sickness and illness at first. It's just few people don't follow the diets and they fall off. So long as you can keep the diet, anything can be healed. You just got to keep the diet program while you're taking the holistic herbs. Man, I got a book releasing. I got a whole lot of interviews coming up, but we got something real big coming up, which is on the 27th of January. January 27th, the Ascension, True Healing of the Mind, Body, and Spirit seminar will be going down at the Medici Media Space on January 27th. 2065 Walton Road, Overland, Missouri, 63114. Be there. We're going to be talking about holistic healing. We're going to be talking about spirituality, metaphysics. We're going to be talking about astrology, how we connected to the cosmos, how to heal the body, how the government getting over on our people. We're going to talk about all of that. There's going to be a lot of giveaways there. We're giving away herbal healing. There's going to be vegan food there, vendors. Man, the whole city coming out, so make sure you're there because you do not want to miss this free information.